Hi guys.
What are you? Look how Asian I look.
Hi guys, it's Grace and Becca with our video show. We have Starbucks. This is Becca.
It says Asian.
And this is Grace. It says hot. And we today are going to talk about kittens. Meow, meow, meow. See, Becca, what do you feel? How do you feel about kittens?
Kittens are yummy.
People in Asia eat cats, but I don't really like cats. Every time I see a cat, I kind of have the urge to punt it. And they always land on all fours, so I don't think it'd be that big of a problem. What do you guys think? Audience, where are you?
Come on!
Hello, I don't hear you. Meow. Meow.
My eyes hurt.
Welcome to the Channing Show. Now I'm gonna do a stuffed animal dog show. You have to record yourself doing a stuffed animal dog show too.
What?
Meow. Becca, final thoughts.
Oh.
Meow. Bum bum bum. Look at the bubbles. They're cool, right? More bubbles.
Bubbles.
How many bubbles can you blow? What do you know? Rabbi can know. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.